Okay, headsets. They come out of here. When you're storing them, while I'm thinking of, you store them with the antenna on the upper side. If you store them pushing the antenna down, it'll put undue strain on them. No use in doing that. What you do is they don't go in all the ways. You just got to put it against it and just gently, and you'll feel how it'll slide in. And you got to push it in pretty good, just straight in, or else the threads won't catch. And then you screw that in, and that's all there is to that. Okay, the headset goes around. Take it up to my head here. The headset actually goes around the back of the head. Okay, not on top, but around the back and around your ears. And you put the headset around the right-hand side, around your right-hand side of your head. And you want this to be out here someplace. I have seen actors that put it like right up in front of their mouth. And if they're not careful, the audience just hears even them breathing. So it sounds like Darth Vader. So you want to make sure and pull it out, which means you'll have to have your volume on your unit a little higher for that. Okay? And then the headset itself has an on-off switch. There's no mute, nothing fancy. And you power that on. And again, it has the readout. And it also has a place to tell whether or not what the battery is. Okay, what the strength of the battery is. Okay, so then we go over here in front of this unit that we were trying to figure out. Okay, which unit do we have? I don't know. This is so dramatic. Okay, I can talk here and see that one that was a handheld? See, the right-hand channel is not moving, so that's not what I'm at. And that one doesn't have any signal at all. This one doesn't have any signal. But this one has signal, and then when I talk, you can see it. So we are on channel 2. And so if I need to turn up or down channel 2, you can just turn it up or down right here. Which you know, in the middle of a show, when your acting partner is too loud, or if they're feeding back just a little bit, getting that hum or whatever, you know you can go over here. You don't have to ask, hey, what mic are you on? You can see the signal coming in with that person's voice and then turn up or down the volume here. But you need this all set up before. Give yourself plenty of time before the show to set all this up, because you want this volume up, this volume up, this volume up, and then you need room to play on this one. Basically, as far as sound goes, you want the sound as loud as possible without getting any humming or any feedback or anything like this, because you want plenty of latitude, because once the bodies come in the room, sound things will change. Microphones that did work before won't work. Now, don't get me wrong, these are expensive mics and you shouldn't have any problem with these. But bodies absorb sound. You'll need more volume than you thought you did. You won't realize it. Bodies come in and absorb sound. Also, don't just put a little volume out there. Put good volume out there. And if you have a show and the audience, and you're using microphones, and your audience just doesn't seem to be paying attention, you're not loud enough. So turn up, and I would say both of you aren't loud enough, so turn up one of your master volumes. Something like that. Any questions? Any questions? Cool. Thanks.